There are numerous everyday habits that the average person can adopt to protect themselves from the sting of a recession or even eliminate its effects entirely. When the recession hits, these tools can help you get through it financially intact. Hello guys, you're welcome to D's Explore. In today's video, we're going to highlight the 5 expert recommended steps to survive the next recession. Stick around and consider subscribing to this channel. I'd also appreciate it if you like this video, as it will help a lot with the YouTube algorithm. What is a recession? A recession is a period of economic decline in which there is a significant drop in economic activities, including decreased production, employment, and trade. This frequently results in lower incomes, lower consumer spending, and a decline in business profits. A recession can last for months or years and affect individuals, businesses, and countries as a whole. There have been several major recessions in the world throughout history. Here are some of the most significant ones. 1. The Great Depression between 1929 and 1939. This was a severe worldwide economic depression that lasted throughout the 1930s. It was triggered by the stock market crash of 1929 and led to high levels of unemployment, bank failures, and widespread poverty. 2. The Oil Crisis Recession between 1973 and 1975. This recession was triggered by the Arab oil embargo in response to the Yom Kippur War. It led to high inflation and high unemployment rates in many countries. 3. The global financial crisis between 2007 and 2009. This recession was triggered by the collapse of the US housing market and the subprime mortgage industry. It led to widespread bank failures, high unemployment rates, and a sharp drop in global trade. 4. The COVID-19 Pandemic Recession between 2020 and 2021. This recession was triggered by the global COVID-19 pandemic, which led to widespread lockdowns, business closures, and a sharp drop in economic activities. It led to high unemployment rates and a significant contraction in the global economy. But the focus of today's video is going to be on how we can survive the next economic recession. Here are the top steps according to experts to help you survive the next recession. 1. Maintain an emergency fund. Set aside money in a savings account or other easily accessible account that you can use in case of unexpected expenses or a loss of income. This fund is specifically intended to cover emergencies like unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or job loss, rather than just being used for regular expenses. Having an emergency fund is important because it can help you avoid going into debt and relying on credit cards to cover unexpected expenses. By having a cushion of savings, you can avoid the stress and financial strain that can come with unexpected expenses or a sudden loss of income. A good rule of thumb is to aim to save 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. This will vary depending on your individual circumstances, such as your job security and monthly expenses. It may take time to build up your emergency fund, but even starting with a small amount and gradually increasing your savings over time can make a difference. 2. Increase your source of income. It is very necessary to find ways to earn more money on top of your regular income. This can be an important strategy to help you survive a recession, as it can provide you with additional financial resources to help cover expenses and build your savings. There are many ways to increase your income, such as take on a part-time job, start a side business, sell items you no longer need, rent out a spare room, and take on freelance work. 3. Manage your finances. Take control of your financial situation and make smart choices about how you spend and save your money. This is an important step to help you survive a recession, as it can help you reduce your expenses, avoid debt, and build your savings. Here are some steps you can take to manage your finances. Track your income and expenses and create a budget that outlines your regular expenses and discretionary spending. Make sure you are prioritizing essential expenses like housing, food, utilities, and transportation. Avoid taking on unnecessary debt, such as credit card debt or high-interest loans. And finally, make saving a priority by setting aside a portion of your income each month into a savings account or retirement account. 4. Stay informed. Keep up with news and economic trends that could impact your financial situation. This is an important step to help you survive a recession, as it can help you stay ahead of potential job loss or economic downturns and make informed decisions about your finances. Here are some ways to stay informed. Keep up with news outlets that cover economic and financial news. If you work in a specific industry, read industry publications to stay informed about trends and changes in your field. Follow financial experts and economists on social media or blogs to gain insights and perspective on the economy and financial markets. Talk to financial professionals such as financial advisors or accountants to get personalized advice and guidance on your financial situation. 5. Be flexible. Be open to changes and willing to adapt to new circumstances. It can help you navigate changes in your financial situation and job market. Here are some ways to be flexible. Be willing to learn new skills. In a changing job market, being willing to learn new skills or take on new roles can help you stay employable and adapt to new opportunities. Be open to different job opportunities. In a recession, job opportunities may be limited in your current field. Being open to different job opportunities, even if they are outside of your current field, can help you find work. Be willing to adjust your lifestyle. In a recession, you may need to adjust your lifestyle and spending habits to accommodate changes in your financial situation. Being flexible and willing to make adjustments can help you stay financially stable. And finally, be open to new sources of income. In addition to your regular job, be open to new sources of income, such as freelance work or part-time jobs, to supplement your income. Remember, surviving a recession takes resilience and a willingness to adapt. By taking proactive steps to manage your finances and build resilience, you can increase your chances of weathering the storm and coming out stronger on the other side.